First, let's see the structure of optical fiber. The structure diagram of fiber generally consists the core, cladding, and coating. How optical fibers transmit signals? Light is injected into the fiber at a specific incident angle, and total internal reflection then takes place at the boundary between the core and the cladding because the cladding has a lower refractive index than the core. Without the cladding, light would go in all directions and exit the core. But thanks to the cladding's refractive index, light remains in the core and continues its path. Signal loss always occurs during fiber transmission. In telecommunications, return loss is the loss of signal power due to signal reflection or return by a discontinuity in a fiber optic link or transmission line. When two flat-end face of connectors mate, reflectance is directed straight back through the fiber core toward the source. However, the angled end face of connector causes much of the reflected light to angle into and be absorbed by the cladding that surrounds the fiber core, which causes less reflected light back to the light source. Proven by rich experience and experimental verification, an angle of 8 degrees is the best. In order to make sure precise alignment of two fibers to get high return loss, the ferrule end faces of fiber optic jumpers are usually polished by different angles. According to different end face angles, there are 3 types of optical fiber end face polishing methods: PC, UPC, and APC. The end face of PC and UPC connectors are nearly flat, and APC is oblique at an angle of 8 degrees. The two end faces of PC connectors are polished to be slightly curved or microspherical, and the fiber core is at the highest point of the bending. This eliminates the air gap and forces the fibers into physical contact. UPC is based on the PC to optimize the end face polishing and surface finish. The end face looks more dome-shaped. The end face of the UPC connector is not entirely flat, and there is a slight arc to achieve more accurate connecting. The end face of APC is usually polishing into an 8-degree angle. Connector connections need to be in the same end face structure. For example, APC and UPC cannot be mated together, because doing so will resulting in poor connector performance. The APC fiber optic connector is usually green. UPC/PC connectors are easily identified by their blue color on the connector boot.